Hello, welcome to another negative numbers video in which we begin to learn to add and subtract. In this video we'll be covering the outcomes F1 and F2. Before we start, check your understanding from the previous video. One of these two calculations will have a negative answer. Which one? The one with a negative answer is 3 take away 7. Because 7 is greater than 3. Let's start straight away with some subtraction. Let's look at 5 take away 2. That means start at 5 on the number line, go down 2, and we get to 3. 5 take away 2 equals 3. What if we had chosen 5 take away 7? Once again, we start at 5 on the number line. But we have to count down 7 spaces. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll get the answer of negative 2. In this case, we went all the way past 0 in the number line to get a negative answer. With a number line to help you, you try. Here are two simple calculations. Here's a different example. Let's do 6 take away 10. As always, that means start at 6, and taking away 10 means I have to go down the number line 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which gets me to negative 4. But counting back is a slow process, so let's figure out a way to do it more quickly. This time, if I start at 6 again, but I subtract in 2 jumps, I go from 6 to 0, which is taking away 6, and from 0 to negative 4, which is taking away 4. So all in all, I've subtracted 10. And I knew I could do this because I know that I can split 10 into 6 and 4. Let's look at another example. Let's do 7 take away 12. Again, we start at 7. I'll take away 7 to start with to get to 0. And then I'll take away 5 more to get to minus 5. And I know I can do that because I can split 12 into 7 and 5. Here are some examples for you to try. Pause the video, the answers will come afterwards. Here are some examples where the numbers we start from are negative. So for example, negative 6 plus 4. So we start at negative 6, we add 4, so go upwards by 4 on the number line, and we get negative 2. Slightly more difficult, let's do negative 4 plus 10. This time we start on the number line at negative 4. Counting up takes too long, so I'm going to do this in 2 jumps. I'm going to do 1 jump of 4 to get to 0, and then 1 jump of 6 to get to 6. So all in all, I've added 10. And I know I can do this because I can take 10 and split it up into 4 and 6. Now, if you don't have a number line, you can draw one yourself. So for example, let's do -3 plus 12. Here's my number line. I'll start at -3. 0's here somewhere. I'm going to add 12. Again, I'm going to do it in 2 jumps. So firstly, I'm going to add 3. Then I'm going to add 9, which takes me to 9. And all in all, I've added 12. How do I know I can do this? I know I can split 12 into 3 and 9. Here are some examples for you to try. Pause the video. The answers will come in a moment. That's the end of this video. If you've got the accompanying booklet, you can do questions F1 and F2. Next time, we'll be looking at questions like 5 plus -4 and 5 take away -4.